Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending verification code on iPhone. So let's begin. So I'll be starting from the basics first. Let's swipe down notification center. Now from here, make sure that do not disturb mode is turned off. If this do not disturb mode is turned on, make sure to turn this off. After that, you can simply turn your airplane mode on and off, which will give your network a quick boost. And then make sure to go to settings. From here, let's go to mobile services. Now I'm going to go to mobile data. As you can see, I don't have the option of data roaming. Since I don't have data roaming here, I have no use. But if you find any option which is data roaming, make sure that you have turned on data roaming, because sometimes data roaming helps to get your codes through SMS. And now I'm going to go back to settings. I'm going to now swipe all the way down, go to apps, and now I'm going to go to messages. Now in messages, let's go down and make sure that your filter unknown sender is turned off. And if it's turned on, then make sure you're checking the unknown messages. So I'm going to go to my messages, and then I'm going to click on filters right over here. And then as you can see, I have 147 unknown senders. So you have to check all of these unknown messages if your Telegram message is being filtered. And then I'm going to turn off the filter unknown senders, because I don't need to filter the unknown messages. I will just go back right over here, and then I'm going to go to the main settings again. From main settings, make sure that your VPN is turned off. So I'm going to swipe down and go to the network option, and as you can see, this VPN right over here is turned off. And since my VPN is turned off, I don't need to look at this option. But if your VPN is on, make sure that your VPN is turned off. However, my VPN option is not showing over here because it is turned off. Now for the ultimate step, which is to debug our Telegram. Sometimes there is a bug in the Telegram which does not send the OTP to our phone. So in this case, I'm just simply going to delete the Telegram application. Now after deleting, go to App Store, search for Telegram again, and then download Telegram just like you downloaded in the first place. Now simply reinstalling the application will remove all the bugs that the application had in it. So after Telegram is reinstalled, you can simply go in and start messaging and use your phone number in Telegram. And if still you are not receiving your messages, then what you can do is simply hold your power button right over here, and then after holding the power button, make sure to restart your phone. And then you probably should be receiving your SMS after all these steps. And still, if you have problem, there is one final step. Go to General, and then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset over here, and then select Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, this will not remove any of your data from phone. This will just simply reset all the network preferences that you had in your iPhone. That's it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.